Okay, so my catalytic converter got stolen on my 2012 Toyota Tundra truck, and what I did is I bought a skid plate. Say the skid plate once we get out there, but to put the skid plate on, you can buy it on eBay for about $300, 290 something plus tax. I went and bought these butterfly bolts because there's already holes through the frame where there's 4 holes on it. So then I also got some 1/4 inch but big washers, 1/4 inch by I don't know, 1.5 inches. And I also got some lock washers, 1/4 inch lock washers. So I have them set up like this. Lock washer, washer. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put on this. And then once you have somebody hold the plate up under there, shove it right through. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. Here we go. Here's the skid plate, and it's made by a company called SparkWiz. $300 for just the plate, and it shows hardware and everything when you buy it, but there's none. I also got just some of this so I can put it across and it doesn't vibrate. But the plate, will sit up here like so. I don't know if you can see that. But so right here where there's already holes, right here and right there, there's going to be a big enough hole. You can just throw a butterfly bolt up there, cinch it down tight, and then what I would do is drill out the Phillips part of the screw so nobody can just unscrew it. And hopefully that'll deter somebody for a little bit longer.